Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tarot with Donna. I'm so glad you are here. If you found this reading resonates with you, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with future readings. I would love to hear from you. Your thoughts and feedback are always appreciated. So, today we are going to do a love reading. Okay, let's see what are the energies. So, I'm picking on the energy of your person that the love that your person feels for you is so deep and overwhelming that it has sparked a profound shift within them, okay? This powerful emotion has moved them in ways they did not expect it, and now they are ready to make the changes that were needed, okay? If I talk about the current energy, I feel that you have been working hard to find the solutions to your problems. You are always on top of things and you give your best, striving to be great in all you do. You don't shy away from challenges, okay? And when a problem arises, you immediately start figuring out how to fix that. But there's a frustration too. It's hard for you when others don't contribute as much as they should, especially when you're putting in so much effort and when it comes to your relationship. Okay. And I can see, like, with respect to your partner, the energy is not so good. You want them to be proactive. You have certain set of expectations, but again, there is a disappointment that you are feeling, okay? So there's a person around you who has not been pulling their weight and you have been feeling that imbalance. You have wanted them to be more involved and to share the responsibility equally. There have been moments when they just did not seem to care enough and that has hurt you. But the love they feel for you is so strong that it has begun to inspire change. You wanted some changes within your partner, okay? So, yes, now I can see that those changes are about to begin. I can see the shift, a change which is coming with Two of Cups. The bond between you and this person is powerful and it has the potential to bring about healing and the mutual understanding that is required in your relationship. The love they feel for you is good, like it is something deep, okay? And that's why, due to that deep love, it is pushing them to take action and make things right. I know it has been a long journey, okay, which I can see, but now is the time that they are going to take the action and make the things right. And we also have the Wheel of Fortune. So I can see that the situation is turning in your favor. It's no longer going to stay stuck in this imbalance. The person who has not been contributing will now begin to step up. Okay. They will start making the necessary changes and start acting more proactively. Okay. This shift will happen sooner than you expect, maybe within 2 to 8 weeks. Okay. And if there was a miscommunication or there was a blockage of communication, I am also seeing that, a communication is coming from that person. Okay. You will see some small changes happen gradually. At first, it might feel like this little steps, but soon you will feel the difference. Okay. So be patient with them. By the end of the month or maybe by uh, mid of Feb 2025, expect to notice a more consistent effort from them and their actions will match the love they feel for you. So, this is a turning point. The love and connection between you two are strong enough to inspire the change. They will start to contribute more, and you will feel the shift towards more balanced and mutual effort. Trust that this change is coming soon, and the relationship will start to feel more harmonious, and we will no longer complain about them. Okay, because they are making changes. All the best. Bye for now.